Cellular respiration is a fundamental biological process by which cells convert glucose and oxygen into energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP. It is essential for the survival of most living organisms as ATP serves as the primary energy currency for cellular activities. Cellular respiration occurs in the multiple stages and takes place in the cytoplasm and mitochondria of cells. The stages of cellular respiration are glycolysis, pyruvate oxidation, Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, and electron transport chain or ETC and oxidative phosphorylation. Glycolysis. The location of glycolysis is cytoplasm. The process of glycolysis is glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvate. This process produces a small amount of ATP and NADH, an electron carrier. The output of glycolysis are 2 ATP, 2 NADH, and 2 pyruvate molecules. Pyruvate oxidation. The location of pyruvate oxidation is mitochondrial matrix. The process of pyruvate oxidation is pyruvate is converted into acetyl coenzyme A, releasing carbon dioxide and generating more NADH. The output of pyruvate oxidation are acetyl coenzyme A, NADH, and carbon dioxide. Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. The location of Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle is mitochondrial matrix. The process of Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle is acetyl coenzyme A enters the cycle where it is oxidized to produce ATP, NADH, and FADH, along with carbon dioxide as waste product. The output of Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle are 2 ATP per glucose molecule, NADH and FADH, and carbon dioxide. ETC and oxidative phosphorylation. The location of ETC and oxidative phosphorylation is inner mitochondrial membrane. The process of ETC and oxidative phosphorylation is NADH and FADH donate electrons to the ETC, which uses the energy released during electron transfer to pump protons across the membrane. This creates a proton gradient that drives ATP synthesis through ATP synthase. Oxygen serves as the final electron acceptor, combining with electrons and protons to form water. The output of ETC and oxidative phosphorylation are 28 to 34 ATP and water. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen and produces a high yield of ATP, while the anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen and results in much less ATP. It often leads to the production by products such as lactic acids or ethanol and carbon dioxide. The importance of cellular respiration, energy production, waste management, and homeostasis. Energy production provides ATP, which powers essential cellular functions like growth, repair, and metabolism. Waste management removes waste products such as carbon dioxide and water. Homeostasis helps maintain energy balance within organisms. Overall, cellular respiration is a vital process that supports life by converting food energy into a usable form. Through its complex stages, it efficiently supplies ATP while maintaining balance in cellular environments. Understanding this process is crucial for advancement in medicine, bioenergy, and environmental science.